that in the UK, you might get that overseas. A lot of people will take that risk. And a lot of people who have more hair on their head than they did before the surgery consider that a good result. But it won't necessarily be a great result. It might not look completely natural. Hair's angles, the way they're distributed may not look completely natural. But a lot of guys are really happy with that because, you know what, they had more hair than they had before.
Now, I know you don't specifically say where you work, not because it's a secret, but because you represent the industry as a whole, and that would be unfair for you to use your profile on this programme to do so. Well, I think it would be fair enough to mention where you work, but that's your choice, so you don't have to. If people want to find out more, what should they do?
So,
Fuck you.
do your background reading, and as I said, the website ishrs.org just has so much useful information, and if you want to find a hair transplant surgeon in the UK, you can go to the bar's website, and there's a find a member search option, and